Your leg is fucking bleeding, dude.
What time is it?
There's nothing in here. So, should probably turn that off.
Pow. Pow. Let's.
Pow!
Palace. Popper.
Pow!
Did you just make all that popcorn?
Pow! Popcorn!
So who's that for?
Brandon!
So you're gonna eat all that before you
Tits!
come back?
Tits! Ass and titties. That's what we do. What we do.
Boats and hoes.
Boats and hoes! Boats and hoes!
My boats
All
and
up.
hoes.
Boats and hoes!
That's right.
That's right. Ah.
So this is supposed to be pretty good for you, I heard.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Who's over there?
Wow.
That's
Both
Larry Hartman, Patricia Brown, and Swiss. Closing it out. Closing it out. Last one standing.
Oh, you get something in your beard, I'll get it for you.
I only have
Oh, ring.
Hey. Last one standing, motherfuckers. Last one standing.
Appreciate that.
Last one standing.
What?
Hey,
last one stands up, bitch.
let's
What do
go
you-
get Ryan.
Yeah, we tried.
No.
Does he have tits? What kind of tits? Is that?
Ryan?
Big old titties.
He has massive.
We need to
No,
come up
you.
with a plan.
Yeah,
Big old
Massive
B
tits.
cups.
Let's go
Full
get
Ryan.
Ryan.
He
has little
Yes.
nipples,
No,
doesn't
there's
he?
no
No,
plan
I'm all
because
for
I'm
distract
still
Miss
here.
I'm all
Kate
for getting
And-
Ryan.
And
Let's
There's
posse
no
up.
extract.
You ready
Randy,
to
come
go?
on, man.
You ready to go to the, we're going to the strip?
No, it's
Okay.
not.
So there is a sliding glass door on the left
You're
side.
going to the
No,
strip?
no, it's
So
not.
Yeah,
it's
dude, of
really
course.
hard.
All right,
It's not gonna
we're
be
going to the
happening.
strip.
Guys,
Bye.
just